Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and we all know about the importance of unprocessed whole foods to optimize your health. Today, I want to discuss chlorella. It's a whole green food with many health benefits. Chlorella is actually one of the most widely used supplements in Japan, where over 10 million people use it regularly. Surprisingly, the Japanese people's use of chlorella is greater than the North Americans' use of vitamin C, which is the most commonly used supplement in the United States. One of the reasons the Japanese value chlorella so highly is its ability to assist your natural detoxification processes. Did you know that you can actually ferment chlorella? Now, why would you want to do that? Well, chlorella typically cannot be digested because it's got a tough cell wall, but when you ferment it, it becomes far more digestible. With many chlorella supplements, you have to make sure that they don't contain contaminants or pollutants. Since chlorella is typically grown outside, it can easily become polluted by air pollution. Because most chlorella comes from Asia, there are many concerns about Fukushima radiation contamination. All the growth, cultivation, and other processing of the chlorella that we offer are all done in a controlled environment. Additionally, since the chlorella is cultivated in a sterilized environment, the risk of heavy metal and other contamination is significantly reduced. So if you decide that you would like to get the benefits of chlorella, make sure you purchase a highly digestible product so you get the benefits you're expecting. That means it's either broken cell wall or fermented and grown in a sterilized and highly controlled environment. Now, I believe our fermented chlorella supplement stands head and shoulders above others as another useful tool you can use to help you take control of your health.